How to recover my hacked WhatsApp account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to recover the WhatsApp account that has been hacked, first of all, simply launch the Chrome browser on your device. As you do that, tap on the search bar over here, and as you tap on the search bar, you need to simply tap on it and search for WhatsApp. As you do that, you need to tap on contact WhatsApp over here. And here you can see there are different options that you can contact the WhatsApp team. So you simply need to tap on WhatsApp contact us over here. And here just mention your phone number and your email address and just confirm your email address over here. And then mention how do you use WhatsApp, either your Android, iPhone or any other devices, and then tap on enter your message. So you just have to mention that your account has been hacked and you'd want to recover it. So then tap on next step and just verify yourself, and you'll be able to recover your hacked Instagram account with the support of WhatsApp team. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.